Hey guys, welcome back. I hope you guys are excited for this series. So, in this video, I'm going to show you my website I have designed for you guys to just go through each topic and also to download Jupyter Notebook and work on some hands-on coding with the machine learning algorithms and all other data science stuff. So, let's get started. First, go to just Google Chrome and type my website name. So I have published this website in the render. So I think for you guys it's going to take some time to load. Just bear with me. Have some patience. So this is my homepage that I have designed. So I designed this as basic as possible to keep it as simple. So just for now, but I keep it simple. But as we go through, when adding more and more stuff, I'm going to add some more features in the website so that you guys can easily work on it stuff. So this is my homepage, and I said earlier about this platform and everything. I'm going to teach everything in this website. So you can directly go to the topics, or you can go and click the start learning place. This will directly take to the topics. So for example, if I am the new guy and newbie and I want to learn linear regression, I can hover to the topics and click on the linear regression, where I can play some YouTube video, learn about this linear regression, and if you have any doubts, you can read the description down there. Each and every concept I have designed, keeping it simple for you. I have designed every concept, like for example in linear regression, what's the formula, what is the linear regression, how would a linear regression look like. I have given an example so that you guys can easily understand what are the assumptions of the linear regression, cost function, and also explain the detailed explanation of each and every what is the cost function and how you can take the different evaluation metrics, even optimization in the linear regression, advantage and disadvantage and application. So now coming to the main one, Jupyter Notebook. So once you understood the linear regression concept, it's time to put your work into the practice. So go and click on the download Jupyter Notebook. So your notebook will be downloaded here. Click on it. You can either open it in a Google VS Code, or you can go through the Google Colab. So go to the Google Colab. Click on the notebook, and you can click on the new notebook, or else you can directly go to file and upload notebook, upload, browse. I have downloaded here, right? So click on linear regression, open. Yeah, now here you have open the notebook in the Google Colab, or you can open it in your VS Code, whichever is comfortable for you guys. So here in Google Notebook, I have given in the notebook of linear regression, I have given everything, like how to use this notebook. I have provided each and every instruction, how to download the dataset. I have given some of the questions for you to go in a structured manner, like from basic to intermediate and intermediate to the advanced. So I have given everything for you guys to work on it. So if you have downloaded this notebook and working on this, please don't, my only suggestion is you can use ChatGPT and other language models as well, but best learn what you are copying or working on it before directly pasting in your notebook. Just learn it, like why the code has given in this manner or in this topic, like that. So you can learn just before doing copying and pasting. So my only suggestion is that, so that you guys can learn from basic to the advanced. So this is about my website. Like if you have any questions, go to my website and go to the contact page, where you can see my LinkedIn as well as the email. You can directly email if you have any doubts. And I hope you guys can learn something from what I am doing. Thank you.